How to make college art in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, launch the Canva application. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on the search bar. Now type college. Now select photo college. Now wait for some time. Now select the template. Now tap on the photo. Tap on delete. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select gallery. Now upload the photo and click on add to page. Now adjust the photo on the empty space. Now repeat the same process for the other photos. Tap on the delete icon. Again tap on gallery. Now select other photo and click on add to page. Again adjust the size. Now once you're done, simply tap on the export icon. Now tap on download. Now tap on download again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.